Fatinai Rusi, welcome to bring back the result of Mari Sevens yesterday. Again today, Ben Saberi. About to each and everyone joining this morning, even though the weather is changing, the climate is changing too, and the face is changing, even though you are kneeling down. You are kneeling down. Even though you are kneeling down, the face expression is still young.
I don't know. Kirmana siya kami na lumibi to di sana harto mi bayawa na biya seburu-buru ay matang ni bingkara ni ko.
Right.
Ayo, bang dito kitsungan pagalakan uli ro weekend, meron di mata tsu weekend dara matang ni ko. Ano ba dito taliti ko ni ko na buli and buli ko kina wasa-wasa na tokalau kina bikur ni buli na muira kina wasa-wasa loma era songotiko.
Iyo. Songotiko muira?
Iyo.
Wasa-wasa loma?
Iyo.
And
Dalo siya na buli ko kina tokalau.
Yeah.
Toka.
Right.
All right.
Iyo, awa utarun ke muni manda. Yesterday, you igula ko ibi.
Wait, after what? Afternoon?
We would like to take this time. Thank you very much, Milne Dalebu.
Yeah.
We party yesterday.
Yeah, Dina.
Thank you very much for the birthday.
Have you sent Naita the
Everything.
Oi.
Yes.
Including the Takamamanoa.
Everything.
The
The lens and mineral resource.
Oh, binabolim sara. Turang night binabolim sara. Kirna be kaning ko na buguni na lolo malebu may na be no ni be balabulu.
Right.
So kana be kero sali katala use. Oh sige stop ko ndon matakali kawai.
Iyo.
Boy.
So happy birthday to Kemuni.
Iyo.
Iyo.
Sa already gori.
Double up for this today. Kaya kayo ndua. Enda maruta kinga nando na singa yon ni ko Kemuni kenai sevo nando bura tau doko.
Iyo.
Modo me baru na musinchu.
Sa kami ndon madawa.
Ndona madawa membuno.
Hey, second day of Marriage Sevens today. The Fiji Bita Marriage Sevens we came in the Kandar of the Sevens Human Salika Kamuraking go to VTFM.
Yeah.
And Buni Tamba, Wakakira na madala ni Ngito Vera na VT Miso. Erapagita Vikina. Dona timi may baba lang itsungo and namata timi ni New Zealand sarga.
Oh, iyo.
Huh?
Oh, really sarap sarga ni kwa. As to we will going down after this.
Yeah.
After doing Vakadabisi, we went down for the Marriage Sevens to cover up for the result.
Yeah.
And also to the picture,
Yeah.
to the videos, and the spectators
Yeah.
being part of the second day.
Then I say, what is one thing that you don't like in this life? Doon ka yung sendo talitak.
I hate people angry the animal. Ando that korna tu wekanda.
Yeah.
Korndo borra takir na manuman.
Oi, what's that? Wait. Dabra muna.
Siya ando because
Yeah.
when I was young, when I was in school, I remember one story about Andrecles and the lion.
Yeah.
The lion itself was being trapped.
Yeah.
The story,
Yeah.
it was being trapped. So everybody gone past.
Yeah.
But this fella, even though it's a king jungle king,
Yeah.
the animal,
Jungle Murgi.
jungle burgi goratobuchi. From there, then the fella was there.
Yeah.
He helped the animal, the lion.
Okay.
So the story,
Yeah.
the tamatalas,
Yeah.
they went back.
Yeah.
They catch the animal, they put into the zoo.
Right.
Seni zoo baka membaye.
Yeah.
Basically, if anybody
Yeah.
break the rules,
Yeah.
they will open the gate of the animal to come and eat the fella. So when Andrecles coming inside, they send the lion to eat the fella.
Yeah.
But the lion smell this fella.
Yeah.
He knew this one was helping him.
So you in real life you love the lion.
No, I'm not loving the lion. I love the Zuru movie, but in Naked Eye,
Yeah.
I love to climb.
Okay. Hey. Okay. What's different about Mos Diani?
Come again?
What's different about this guy, Mos Diani?
Oh, he is sweet lips.
Okay.
Ngone ngusu kami.
Even
Even though
yeah.
he moving from the left, he got talent.
Yeah.
He is a composer, he is a singer,
Right.
he is a gela.
True gali gali.
Thank you to Tamale Karua Emosin dia ini, and also to Suneta Mandamu Gisban from New Zealand joining this morning. Iya.
Tisi ano ba kaya bulbi to kadi may nao para matali ko. Elias Seni abi.
Esa boleh binaka iyo.
Okay. We came to your house this morning around the pickup time. You know that time?
Right.
And we were parking by the roadside, tooting the horn. The driver took the horn. I was at the back.
I don't know what's wrong with me.
I saw the porch.
Yeah.
The lady saw. I was like, "Hey, Komelolombu, he's awake."
No,
And nothing happened.
I was wake up this morning like 3 something.
Yeah.
3 something a.m.
Yeah.
I wake up, I went outside, I came back.
Yeah.
I came back, I praying.
Oi.
Aku masuk. After pray, I just want to lay my head down. Okay, 5 minutes break.
Oh.
From 5 minutes,
Yeah.
it multiply.
Okay.
I wake up 5 to 6 this morning.
Woi, asa dorka bakar bersanga. Bosan mana mo do ke mo detalhe.
I was looking at the left,
Yeah.
looking at the right, looking at the gap.
Yeah.
The gap of the house.
Yeah.
I see the light. Usara ito nararama.
Right. Oi.
I had Ndomonika Kalu.
Yeah.
Significant
Yeah.
that it's light.
Yeah.
Sararama na panua.
Right.
From there, I went outside. I want to catch a cab.
Yeah.
Looking on the left, look on the right. I see the Vacom Bandela Toka bus come.
Right.
From there, I jaw on the middle of the rasta.
Okay, na matagal buku-buku sa tomato ko si songa nang unay ko do ka.
No, it's not forbidden.
Yeah.
Cinema to be away.
Right.
Yeah.
Ano na katukana? Yeah.
It's new when I was like that.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Yeah.
Maybe I sleep early.
Okay, what time you sleep?
I sleep like around 5:30.
Hey, sa bertalo tunggu.
Yeah. I sleep 5:30.
Why? What the message?
I wake up
You want
again.
something?
I wake up again at I wake up again at 12.
Right.
From 12 I sleep again. 12:03.
5 to 12 o'clock midnight. That's 7 hours. Asa ruchig mina sana.
Iyo.
Kamu kasama taka chugwa. Kembali ko sa tumat sigo.
Centen mate sa tambu. Rebuke.
Bataya.
No.
Kasama kimi ko 28.
28.
28 to no minum
29.
4 to 5 hours.
45 hours.
Iyo.
Adhabu binakata chingor vya umeda me ulutu na ngongo. Seme musi na
that's a sign de ko sa tumat. Kasi tumat sigo no mola.
Siya nga una kita.
Iyo. Kembali ko binakata me mo tola merto mo talaga na ngone.
Siya nga orto tasar tulo manibale.
Iyo, utsa ka mo ng bunglebu.
En rambong ile
Very very dangerous. Iyo.
Moriti kay yawabu mode ba kabi anda sigan ko dams bina walebu mere ratu ba ni bina ka kena bekibri na sa matumay. Juliet Margaret Kadi.
Yeah.
One in bina ka na sigin ko.
Okay, what's your taro? Have you ever seen what you call it? No. Evil spirit like a devil?
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
I didn't see the face because it's dark. It's like the nakena imbuli.
Right.
This is when I was in Lambasa.
Right.
Attending FNU in Lambasa. So one day,
Yeah.
I came from my auntie,
Yeah.
Naya in St. Mary.
Yeah.
So from there, like 12 midnight,
Yeah.
I was to go to my place. I was staying in Tobata,
Yeah.
where my small mom was there.
Yeah.
Nungunalaylay.
Right.
From there, I want to cross cut from Nailawa. The people knowing. Nailawa went from Wisabulu.
Yeah.
Nailawa want to cross cut from there to Tobata.
Yeah.
From there, it's a cross cut, eh?
Right.
So, plenty mango tree, big mango tree there.
Yeah.
I was coming on the ladies, the road.
Yeah.
I smell the perfume.
Oi.
When I smell the perfume, it signifies that something is close or something is moving from there.
Yeah.
So I was wondering whose
Yeah.
were they. From there, I saw one sparking.
Yeah.
Sa wanga tungo na masisi.
Right. Oh, okay.
Kamendo me kana suki chiko.
Right.
Wanga tungo na masisi ngo na be mango. I saw it na mango tree.
Yeah.
From like 50 meters.
Oh, yeah.
Mango tree from the light.
Yeah.
Nabuno ramatiko.
Oh,
Ewan natakusa ko na puno ya.
Right.
From there, I saw one fella.
Yeah.
Eroso toka.
Ano ba nakatura ka night?
Eroso.
Yeah.
With sparking. My eyes, I don't want to move away my eyes from him.
Oi.
I just watching. I'm moving myself close. Like 5 meters away from myself and him.
Yeah.
He passed like this to the mango tree.
Right. Mebuni.
Mebunikina.
Right.
Nabuno tombole ni kira mweda ni nabuno tukino wekago.
Iya.
Ali urida mambal na dosenga.
Sena botomu.
Sena botomu.
You become Harry.
I become Harry Potter. Sena botomu.
Iya.
Nabuno sarang andur itu kira ubakila nindora kalante bana ba ko kila baka me ko sambutara mutobole me tanga ngomu nandreli namboto ni biti nandreli kondolande.
Iya.
Me tanga ngomu na kena yauta.
Iya.
Ndona kalante bana ba ko baka sarabaya. Aku sabang go sini biarere.
Iya.
I move look on the left.
Iya.
Look on the right. Nobody there. Just moving myself. Use my mobile phone.
Iya.
On the number 3. No.
Nothing.
I can feel something is close.
Iya.
Sa
Mo dengar kya?
Huh?
Mo dengar kurimun mago.
Mother kuribun mango me masa. From there I started to sing a song. From there I started singing a song.
What song?
Chisunongu kabetani. Chisunongu kabetani. And nambulang aongo. Then I move myself from there.
Why do we always do that? Yeah. Satu nalega satu kayak musuh lo tu musuh masuk.
From there, when I feel that thing, I can feel something is close.
Iya.
Chisunongu kabetani. From there, I hurry myself away from there. Bahkan tu ibali, bibi. When I reach home, I see another fella dancing on the sugarcane. On the same night.
Ui.
Dancing on the sugarcane, the moon up again.
Without any clothes.
Without any clothes. Oh, sabango, hey.
You got free view, man.
Preview. I like this on myself. I never cross this road in the night anytime in my life.
Sekali. Sila telan ada benaka, lerita siranginya. Ni ana benaka turangan aja.
Inabale bu BSP Batakeya punje sana bitoko ni unsecured personal loan Batakeya. Proud sponsors of the Fijian Room.
Ando kenilong gulong matimbay, dinanitan tarang dewamay, uwiniye nandi nakamuno romekuwa ni busolo. Iukutaki volina iserang, komate tawa seatu, raki bintang kesemen rakira, mekuan di soreba. Merembalelai silinga sao, wati gundinan nani bakamau, rosindi namay nagtakalau, di matuto sobong mailang. Inalomayo si Terelia, Tomberong boli nawa, Autu kongo na kolaita bisabu ibe yawaki. Eta bulonin bonina vosa, canto me maleti rako, apenda rui boy kolambu la sena venari, kasiano minalawa kei, que soy mi dolele. Elina mandaman duang kawan nyalon tani balik mamara. Nawin bibini nombukoro, tulo mai karupo. Malimba Tandina Beria Sekolandi